Hi guys, welcome to Simply Hike. Here we have the Jack Wolfskin On The Move backpack. So this is a 24-litre backpack. It's very simple in its design. It has a waterproof lining to it. So this is that good sort of all-rounder. You can use this just in your morning commute or as a just simple sort of day pack. So yeah, let's take a look at it. So it's got this pretty Scandinavian design, this funky sort of burnt orange and the blue lower down. We've got this strap which is adjustable, and it's also just a very quick hook and loop sort of system, just so that you can sort of stow it down, keep it nice and neat. But then when you're actually done with it and you want to stow it away, you can roll it all up in itself and actually use that strap just to roll it nice and neat and tidy so it doesn't take up any space in your cupboard. So the main compartment, if I just open this up, is just one big open chasm, zippered opening right up at the top, and on the inside it's just a big open space, so plenty of space for a big laptop, bag, jumper, you name it, you can stow it away in there. There is one section where you can sort of organize it. It's a bit dark in there, I'm afraid, but there's a little flap on the inside, so you can start to organize stuff in that main section. But there is also a second zippered pocket in the side, and that's just in here, kind of secret, and you can open that up, and then you've got a small pocket about the size of your hand just to sort of keep stuff nice and safe. So on the other side you have a grab handle, so a little bit of padding on that so it's nice and comfortable, and then two backpack straps, adjustable, and these got a bit of padding, again with that kind of Scandinavian design with these kind of triangles going down, adding a bit more padding there so it's kind of soft against your back. But other than that, a very simple and traditional bag. It's got that sort of second strap loop which just kind of looks cool and gives you something else that you can attach onto it. Yeah, this is the Jack Wolfskin On The Move backpack. Thanks for watching, and safe hiking.
So the best way to get the perfect fit are these key steps. The hip belt goes above the hip and not on the hip. This pushes the weight of your pack onto the bottom of your spine, which can take a heavy load without any strain. And it also takes the pack weight off your hips and legs, making it more comfortable. The shoulder straps should nicely wrap close to your body, not too